Future is now. Science and technology experts keep developing new parts every day, all of which stimulate our interest like never before. If you're a technology nerd like me, we have a list of gadgets that will blow your mind away. From being able to get rid of stubborn belly fat within just 15 minutes of your day, to having your important appointments handy wherever you go, to making all of your recipes with your favorite dish, getting a new one right there in your bedroom from a mirror. Without further ado, let's find the 10 coolest gadgets worth buying. Number 10, GRIPMASTER. The GRIPMASTER car. The GRIPMASTER car desk is ideal for remote workers who get bored working at home and just need a public place to cool off while they work. The top surface of this desk is covered with a non-skid rubber material. This ensures that a laptop, briefcase, or cell phone will not slide off of it while the vehicle's in motion or when parked. The GRIPMASTER features a pull-out writing surface with a built-in clipboard, which provides a convenient area for doing paperwork and writing. The large storage area underneath is great for office tools and accessories, and also for keeping a laptop out of sight. Additional storage compartments hold small supplies such as pens and office accessories. This desk model is ideal for those needing to keep mobile equipment accessible during the day and need a convenient area for writing. Another fascinating feature of this gadget is its availability in several colors to complement the vehicle's interior. Its hidden storage compartment below also keeps the laptop, tablet, smartphone, and folio out of sight to ward off distractions. Number 9. NONDA Zeus Smart Vehicle Health Monitor. With the NONDA Zeus Smart Vehicle Health Monitor, the days of paying a huge sum of money to dealers to scan your car for what's wrong are gone. NONDA was designed to promote a do-it-yourself DIY method of checking your car's health and also save the stress of locating your cars in a big park filled with other cars. NONDA Zeus Smart Vehicle Health Monitor comes with some key features like plug and play. Just plug it into your car's OBD2 port and you're ready to go. Mileage log, tax deductions, it automatically logs your trips and savings potential, easily reports IRS compliant reports, and saves as much as $5,000 in annual tax deductions. It clears engine error codes, which normally cost $150 plus from a mechanic, and it provides a complete diagnostics of vehicle errors and the codes, and an easy self-repair video tutorial, so you can fix them yourself and save thousands on costly repairs. Number 8. Car Hand Gel. The pandemic might be over, but practicing preventative measures against the deadly coronavirus, COVID-19, is still paramount. The mask and sanitizer are the most frequently used items for preventing ourselves from contracting the virus. But when we pay close attention to the mask, we tend to neglect the sanitizers. A simple gesture, such as disinfecting our hands, serves to prevent a possible contagion, and doing so when you are out of the house is not always possible, because 20 people out of 100 tend to forget to use sanitizer, and that's why the car hand gel is worth buying. Having a special dispenser in the car can help us do it in the best way possible. The first car-specific sanitizing gel dispenser, Car Hand Gel, has been designed to be compatible with all cars on the market, as it's inserted inside the cup holder. Made of hard plastic, anti-sale, it can be customized with any graphics at the customer's request. Car Hand Gel is equipped with special patented vent valve that allows the vapors of the alcohol-based sanitizing gel to escape in minimal doses if the temperature inside the car reaches high levels. Car Hand Gel is also removable and washable. Once you've finished the gel inside, you can charge it by simply removing the pump and inserting a new Car Hand Gel refill. All this is particularly useful for car rentals, car sharing operators, and large fleets. Number 7. SOLOQI Wireless Charger Stand. Being with a phone every now and then seems impossible because you'll have to charge the battery when it gets low. But the story might change with the SOLOQI wireless charger stand that makes you keep operating your phone even while it's charging. Imagine having to wait till your phone charges a bit before taking selfies. Well, now the wait's over. SOLOQI magnetic wireless charging stand is for all phone users globally and can charge any wireless and/or USB devices or other devices you might upgrade to in the future. The gadget comes with a portable kickstand capable of charging 2 devices at once, and there's no need to repurpose or repurchase and trash toxic batteries. The gadget will work with all upgraded devices for years to come. The gadget boasts a 200% extra battery life with 700 milliamps to provide all the power you need for 24 hours. The X-mount snap and charge in the car comes with a diamond camphor aluminum 10-watt magnetic wireless charger, smart cooling, and a USB-C fast charger. And it also helps increase the driver's safety since you don't need to hold your phone with your hands. Number 6. HITCHFIRE. Going camping or on a picnic without grilling slices of bacon, meat, or fish seems incomplete, and the stress of moving the one used in the garden isn't worth trying. The weight and the permanent stain it might leave in your car can make an unhealthy decision. Adventure grilling is now made very easy by HITCHFIRE because it's quicker and cleaner to use even more than the regular or conventional grill. It saves space in the trunk and pack in those needed items, and it prevents greasy stains in your vehicle. It can also be used as a tabletop once detached from the hitch. Camping has just been made easy with HITCHFIRE's Adventure Grill. Number 5. ONLYBRUSH NANOTECH. Technology lovers will go a mile for this. Imagine your toothbrush alerting you that it's time to brush. Isn't that awesome? ONLYBRUSH NANOTECH is designed for the purpose of having an efficient mouth cleaner when you're on a journey or in the comfort of your home. This amazing gadget comes with its own toothpaste and dental floss that makes it possible to take good care of your teeth, even in public places. Not only will you have a brush that will be healthy for your gums and teeth, but you'll also get a series of brushes to change to after 3 months, just like it's been advised by all health associations to change toothbrushes after every 2 to 3 months of use. ONLYBRUSH comes with a handle that houses all of the necessary items you need, so you don't have to worry about its packing. L'Oreal PERSO. But ladies with oily faces go through a lot by trying to keep their faces dry and fresh. With L'Oreal PERSO's foundation in a powder, you can boast a 24-hour fresh and dry face. The foundation's powder is more affordable and more long-wearing than other leading prestigious powders. The infallible freshwear foundation in a powder has an almost weightless texture that gives full coverage and a natural matte finish that looks fresh hour after hour. The formula used for it is breathable, leaving skin feeling comfortable and dry for up to 24 hours. It is waterproof, heatproof, and sweatproof and available in 14 shades and suitable for all skin types, even oily skin and acne-prone skin. It is non-comedogenic with no greasy feel, and it has been tested under dermatological control. Number 3. Fat Iron Body Tone. Every girl's goal is to have a flat tummy that she can flaunt at the beach and a party to look more hot and sexy. While many battle with stubborn fats, some battle with stretch marks and wrinkled skin. Stubborn fat cells are high in alpha receptors, preventing them from releasing their fat content regardless of exercise and diet. That's why the Fat Iron Body Tone is worth buying for you even if you don't have any of the health issues listed above, but if you want muscle firmness and an even-toned body. The powerful technology of fat iron is strong enough to empty those stubborn fat cells easily and safely without causing saggy, uneven skin and ugly stretch marks. Women usually accumulate those fat cells around thighs, hips, and lower belly, while men tend to have them in their stomach area, making lovemaking kind of hectic. While we all struggle to lose fat, and the Fat Iron Body Tone is the world's first FDA-cleared and clinically tested home-use device that truly irons off fat, it works by placing the device on the skin where you want to burn off fat and gently massage it with a gadget for 15 minutes. The gadget works in synergy to iron away stubborn fat, stretch marks, saggy skin, and wrinkles while strengthening and toning your muscles. All of that in only 15 minutes per day. Number 2. PEDICURVE. Old-school pedicure devices can be unhealthy to use considering that they're cheaply made with sandpaper rolls or in some other form rough composite material that can damage the skin. The new pedicure device, PEDICURVE, is here to address those issues by being gentle on the skin, solar-powered, there's absolutely no need for batteries, hygienic and efficient with patent-pending PediGlass disc. And it's conservative by reducing waste and lowering cost of ownership compared to disposables. The PediGlass discs are chemically etched with craters on the glass, which easily removes softened skin and leaves the feet feeling soft and smooth. No abrasion, no pain, or discomfort. Number 1. ZMIRROR. What most work-from-home mothers need is a personal assistant in the kitchen or wherever seated in the house working. The ZMIRROR is a gadget with Alexa built in, which means you can operate it via voice command. Imagine telling a mirror to help with a recipe of food you might want to cook, and it shows you exactly what the exact recipe is and how to go about it, right there in your bedroom. ZMIRROR does it all. It also improves your productivity and multitask through your morning routine. It also enables you to set and see scheduled daily activities, weather, news, or play music. There you have it. 10 gadgets worth buying. Thank you for staying till the end of the video. If you're new to this channel, kindly hit the like button. Also smash the subscribe button to be part of the unique family. See the bell icon near the subscribe icon? Smash that too to be among the first to receive notifications whenever a new video is uploaded.